Hello, my name is Nick and I'm one of the sales executive here at Skoda in Powick. Here we have the Skoda Fabia in the Rallye Green, and it is the Monte Carlo version. As you can see, it does come nicely with the two-tone black wheels, silver and the black wing mirrors, and the black pan roof. So I'll show you inside. It is the 17 plate. It does come with the front diffuser, the rear diffuser, and the Monte Carlo spoiler, which is also in the Rallye Green as well. It's just 4 years old. The car's got just over 21,000 miles on the clock. Nice low mileage. It really does look the part with the two-tone. As you can see, you do get the Monte Carlo badge on both sides. And in the boot, this particular one does come with the space-saving spare wheel, as I will show you now. The seats do go down in a 60-40 split, if needs be. Have a quick look inside the vehicle. As we said, 21,521 miles are on the clock. So we do have the sport bucket seats with the red surroundings, grey on the inside and the black. They do keep you in snug. Then you've also got the red trim going down the centre console. You also have the red stitching on the steering wheel, which is the more square-shaped steering wheel, which gives you that better handling if you need it. Pop the keys in, so we can have a look at the centre console here. It does come with all your main necessities, and it is the touchscreen system as well. Full heating and cooling system, USB ports and auxiliary cables next to your cigarette lighter. And you do have the controls on the steering wheel, multimedia functions and the front assist functions as well. As we said, it does have the pan roof, which can be closed. I'll leave you with a lovely image of the front. Enjoyed this video. If you'd like to know more, give us a call on 01905 830 361. We look forward to hearing from you. Thank you.